Welcome to miniaturev. Like, share and subscribe our channel. In this video we are going to unbox a Honda CB500F from Diecast. This is a very good scale model which I have collected. It does really look like a street version of bikes actually, but it's a sports bike, but look like a street version of it. And I bought it from Amazon. You can click the link below and you can get this bike. Uh, Package has come very well, and let's unbox the bike. Also watch this video till the end. This is the first bike I am buying it from Willie's Diecast, but the model has come very well and the details are very neat and clean. It's good looking bike, white in color, movement of the wheel, suspension, like other bikes it's similar, all similar, but it is very attractive, precise to design, very well designed model. And first time I'm seeing a Honda logo everywhere. In Mazda and all it won't be like that. It is good actually. Black alloy wheels are there. Overall the details are so good. Let's see the bike. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. We are coming up with more videos in this channel.